Guys, welcome back again to my channel. Trust you guys are doing well and keeping safe. We thank God for the gift of yet another day. We give him all the glory. Well, on this video today I'm going to be showing you how I make my chicken sauce. This is a simple and straightforward dish. Those for times when you are not able to put something together, this is very easy. It takes about 30 to 35 minutes to cook this, and just boil your rice and it goes with it. So what the ingredients I'll be needing for this recipe are: I have my diced not finely sliced chicken breast here. I have my corn flour here. I'm going to be mixing this later. I've got salt, I've got oil, vegetable oil, I've got my red diced onion, I've got my finely chopped white onion here, I've got my carrots for a bit of spice, I've got my habanero pepper here chopped, I've got my bell peppers here chopped as well, or diced, sorry, diced. I've got my ingredients here. I'm going to be mixing all these ingredients into this chicken. You can marinate this for about 30 minutes in the fridge to an hour. But for this video, I'm going to delve straight into cooking it when I marinate it now. So I've got thyme here. I've got some curry powder. I've got white pepper. I've got garlic powder here. And I've got my seasoning cubes there. So welcome to my kitchen, guys. So I'm going to be adding my seasoning cubes in here, my thyme, my curry powder, everything goes in. And I'm going to mix it together. So I'm going to go straight into cooking now. I've spiced my chicken breast. I'm going to add a bit of oil in my cooking pan. I've got about 2 tablespoons full of vegetable oil there. When it's a bit hot, I'm going to go in with my finely chopped onion. You can see that my onion is partially frying. I'm going to go in with my chicken at this point. Continue frying until it's cooked. Yeah, right now I'm going to add some water into it because the chicken is cooked. Add some water to cover the chicken. And allow it to boil. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my habanero pepper and my carrots. And I'll allow it to boil for a while, about 5 minutes or so. Yeah, guys, I don't even have to wait for 5 minutes because I don't like my carrots overcooked. So I'm gonna go in with the mixed bell peppers now and my red onion. Also allowed to cook for a few minutes before you go in with the corn flour syrup for a thickener. Allowed to boil for like a few minutes, it will be fine. So guys, chicken sauce is almost there. My bell pepper and everything have been boiling for some few minutes now, so I'm going to go in with the thickener, the corn flour, and give it a stir. And add it. This one was the thickener. So guys, this is almost ready. I can see that this is a bit thicker than I want. I like my chicken sauce light, so I'm going to add a bit more water in there and taste for salt, and it's ready. The consistency you prefer, but I prefer mine not too thick, not too watery. This is perfect now. So I'm going to taste for salt now and take it off heat. It's fine. So guys, this is the end result of our chicken sauce. It's a quick meal when you're not in the mood for cooking. 30-35 minutes, you're done with this in the kitchen. Just boil your rice and have a good meal. Thank you guys for always taking out time to see my video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, leave your comment down below. Guys, I'll see you in my next one, guys. Love you all. Bye.